Good evening, friends. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training and welcome to Full Stack Java Developer Batch. Sir, myself K. Prakash Babu. So here we are going to have a session on Full Stack Java Developer Batch. The course is nothing but, sir, both batches will be there here, Core Java as well as Full Stack Java Developer. So both batches will be there. The duration of the session is so 45 days if it is a Core Java, and if you have registered for Full Stack, you are going to get 3 months duration, that is 90 days. So the timings are every day at 5 p.m. Monday to Friday, every day at 5 to 6 o'clock we will have these sessions. Okay, the fees for this course is, for Core Java it is a 5,000, and for Full Stack Java Developer it is 12,000. And you have to contact 8096 969696 if you want to register for this course. So the benefits which you are going to get with this course is running notes will be shared for you on daily basis, and the recorded videos will be there for 7 months access, and the coding challenges will be provided. So almost 100 programs we are going to provide by using hacker rank links. You have to solve these programs. Okay, so next and after that, after completion of every topic, we are going to see multiple choice questions, so which are there in that particular topic. For example, if we are covering arrays topic, we will see various MCQs on arrays. Okay, so array declaration, array initialization, some we will provide some program and you need to guess what is the output of this program. Like this, multiple choice questions will be covered, and even interview questions also we are going to cover after completion of every topic. And coming to our syllabus, of course, Core Java syllabus is there. I will list out. Sir, coming to full stack, we are going to see Core Java plus Advanced Java, UI technologies, and with one mini project. So in addition to this, we are going to see one database, sir, which may be MySQL or Oracle, but both I will touch, but in detail about this database, we will concentrate on MySQL. So how you can able to create the databases, how you can able to perform various CRUD operations on this database, we will see. So next and after that, even with Oracle, just basic operations I will explain, sir, not in detail. So coming to the next topic, UI technologies we are going to discuss. Sir, by using these UI technologies, you can able to create web pages. For this, you can go with HTML, so CSS, JavaScript, jQuery basics, and XML basics. So these these 5 things we are going to cover as a part of UI technologies. So with the help of these, you can able to prepare web pages. Okay, if you want to prepare any web page, we need to go for these UI technologies. So next, coming to the advanced Java. So if you want to prepare any project and you have to deploy this project in a server mission, and every client has to access means, so you have to go for these advanced Java tools. Okay, sir, which is nothing but Jdbc and servlets and then JSP. Sir, Jdbc is used to communicate with the database by using Java program. We have some libraries are there. For MySQL database, we have a separate library. For Oracle, we have a separate library. So by using that libraries, you can able to communicate. So which will be covered in this Jdbc. Sir, next and after that, servlets. So how to prepare a servlet program on server? So from the client mission, how you can able to access, we are going to cover as a part of this servlets. So next and after that, JSP, Java server pages. So what is mean by Java server pages? So it is nothing but something like view component. Okay. So if you want to display any information to the client, we have to prepare by using this JSP. Of course, 2 mini projects we are going to cover. Sir, this is nothing but Core Java and Advanced Java syllabus, so which we are going to cover as a part of this Full Stack Java developer. Sir, now today we are going to start Core Java. Okay, so you can register for both, or if you want, you can register for Core Java alone. That is completely so your choice. Sir, now let me start Core Java. Could you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. If you are having any queries, please let me know. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes, I request everyone to respond. Yeah. Sir, let me go for the first topic in core Java, which is nothing but language. So what is mean by language? So we know very well it is nothing but a communication medium. Okay. So communication. So a language is a communication medium. So between two things. So it may be a person to person communication, a person to person communication, or a mission to mission communication. General terminology I'm explaining, sir. If you take person to person communication, we can use some languages like English or Hindi, okay, or any other languages to communicate with other person. So if you take mission, a mission can communicate with another mission by exchanging the information in the mission language, okay, sir, which is consisting of zeros and ones. So if you are framing any instructions by using zeros and ones, it comes under mission language. Of course, the two missions can be communicated with each other by exchanging the data in the form of zeros and ones only. Okay, sir, here the next topic is nothing but programming language. So what is the reason why we need to go for programming language in the sense, sir, if you take person to person communication, in this person to person communication, sir, we don't have any issues. So we can communicate with other person. So by using these languages like English or Hindi, etc. So even mission to mission communication is also possible. Sir, here also we don't have any issues. Okay. But the problem is nothing but if a person wants to communicate with mission, so person to mission communication is not possible. So because the reason for that is nothing but if you see, just I want to explain with the help of a small diagram. So consider, so this person wants to communicate with a mission. Okay, sir, here if you are sending any message to this mission by using, for example, consider in the English I am sending the message called hi. Sir, mission can understand only zeros and ones, so it can't understand the English alphabets. That's why, sir, here we required some mediator. Sir, that mediator or that translator will convert human readable code, okay, sir, human readable code into mission understandable code. For this purpose we have to use some software which is nothing but a programming language. That programming language will read your instructions and it will convert it into mission understandable format. Similarly, if a mission is giving the instructions in the form of zeros and ones, sir, it will revert back to your understandable format. Okay, sir, this is nothing but how the communication is happening, and the main tool here is nothing but programming language. Sir, I can use this programming language is a software which is used to communicate with the mission. Okay, so let me add that point also. So here programming language is a software or it is a tool. Okay, it is a tool, sir, which is used to communicate, with the mission. If you want to communicate with the mission, okay, then we have to use this particular software or this particular tool. So there are various programming languages are there in the market. For example, operating system itself is one of the programming language. By using this OS only, we are communicating with the mission. Similarly, we have C language is there. Okay, so C++ programming language is there. So Java programming is there. Python programming is there. Like this, we have various programming languages are there in the market. Okay. Then, so there are different types of programming languages, sir, based on the level of programming. Okay, types of programming languages. Suppose if you are writing the instructions in old level, that means in the beginning days, whatever format they are using, if you are preparing application by using those formats, then it comes under low level programming languages. So how many types of programming languages are there? Three types. So first one is nothing but low level programming languages. Second one is nothing but high level programming languages. So the third one is nothing but middle level programming languages. So in the case of low level programming languages, we are providing the instructions in low level format. Okay. So here we are providing the instructions in low level format. Sir, the instructions are given in low level formats. Sir, next point, programmer is responsible sir to do all the activities. All the activities in the sense memory allocation, sir, memory deallocation, okay, resource allocations, so network connectivity, files opening, files closing, everything the programmer has to take care. In this case, there is no assistance will be provided. So these kind of programming languages will comes under low level programming languages. Okay. Sir, the best example for this low level programming languages is nothing but C language. Okay. Sir, basic, the programming languages which are introduced at the very beginning stage. Okay. So all the programming languages are comes under this low level category. Okay. So all these programming languages are nothing but low level programming languages. So the next one what we have here is high level programming. So what is mean by high level programming, we will see now. So here the instructions are given in high level format. So here the instructions are given in high level format, and the programmer is responsible only to implement the business logic. So programmer is responsible to implement only business logic. That's all. So rest of the things assistance will be provided by the programming. For example, if you take Java, some assistance will be there like default exception handler, so compilers, all these things will take care if you are doing any mistake. So in this case, assistance will be provided. Assistance will be provided by programming language. Okay. Sir, next, the best example programming languages for this is sir C, Java, Python, so etc. All these programming languages will come under high level. So that means the present programming languages are nothing but high level programming languages. And coming to the next one, middle level. Sir, what is mean by middle level? Very simple. The programming language, sir, which supports so both low level and high level programming languages, I mean high level instructions. If a programming language provides support for both instructions, then it comes under high level instructions. So example, C language, because sir, C is supporting both low level activities at the same time high level activities. So C with pointers, C with pointers is called as low level activities. I mean low level programming. C with pointers is called as so low level programming language. Next, sir, C without pointers, because pointers means what? We are involving with the memory allocations. Okay, so we are dealing with the memory cells. That's why so it comes under low level activity. Okay, sir, C with pointers is called as low level programming language. Sir, C without pointers is called as high level programming language. So of course, C supports both these features. That's why this C language is called as middle level programming language. Okay. Yeah, this is nothing but what is mean by low level, high level, and then middle level. Could you please confirm the introduction to this programming? Do you have any doubts? Just at the top level, I'm explaining. So how these programming languages are came. Any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Yes, I request everyone to respond. Okay, sir, the next one, what we have here is translators. So what is mean by translator? The general meaning of translator is nothing but which will convert one form of data into another form of data. Okay, so what is the general meaning of translator? Which will convert one form of data into another format of data. Okay, so translator, it is used to convert one format or one form of data into another format or another form. In general, sir, if you have any documents, assume, sir, I have one document is there, I want to convert this document into some PDF document, like sir, .pdf extension. Yes, it is possible. So we have to use some online translators, online compilers, sorry, online tools. So using that online tool, you can able to upload a document file, word document file, and you are going to get a PDF format as an output. Sir, even you can convert MP4 file format into MP3 file format. That means we are extracting only audio from a video file. So all these things are possible. In the case of programming language, what is the purpose of translator is nothing but, sir, it is used to convert. It is used to convert so human readable code into mission understandable code. Here, the main purpose of translator is nothing but it is used to convert human readable code into mission understandable code. That is nothing but the meaning of translator. Okay, next. So in programming language, we have three types of translators are there. The first one is called as assemblers. Second one is called as compilers. Third one is nothing but interpreters. So let me see one by one. If you take assemblers, so it is used in the old programming languages as usual, just like low-level programming languages. Okay. So observe carefully. Yeah. Sir, coming to assemblers. Sir, it is used in low-level programming languages. It is used in low-level programming languages. Sir, which will convert, okay, which will convert low-level instructions, into, sir, mission understandable format. But the problem with these assemblers is nothing but these are mission dependent. Okay, these are nothing but mission dependent. That means so if you are writing any program, sir, the assemblers, if you are using the code which is generated by the assembler, will work only on the mission where you have developed your program. So it won't work in multiple missions. Okay, sir, the best example for this is nothing but there is one programming language with name assembly programming. In the olden days, they are using this assembly programming language tool as assemblers. Okay, and even you can able to see, so there is one subject is also there with name microprocessors and microcontrollers. There we are going to use mnemonics. Okay, so it is in the case of memory locations. For example, if you see, sir, move some 23 comma, sir, hash 1010. So that means we are moving the content 23 to the memory location 1010. Like this, we are going to invoke with the processors, or we are going to invoke with the memory allocations by using these instructions. Of course, it is nothing but sir, semi instructions, like directly it will be in the kind of mission understandable format only. So that's why almost nowadays 1 minute. Yeah. So we are not using these instructions in our high level programming. Okay. So the next one, what we have here is compilers. So what is the purpose of compiler? Very simple. So it is used to convert human readable code into mission understandable code. So what is the main purpose of compilers? It is used to convert human readable code into mission understandable format. So next, it is going to scan, it will scan the total program at a time. It is going to scan the total program at a time. So if you are having any errors, all errors will be, okay, all errors will be displayed at a time. All errors will be displayed at a time. Okay. Sir, next and after that, observe carefully. Sir, in this case, if we have any error, okay, if you have any error, sir, then we have to debug the program. We have to debug the program manually. If you are having any error, then we need to debug the program manually. Okay. Sir, the best example programming languages which provide support for this compiler is nothing but C, C++, Java, and Python. So these are nothing, sorry, C, C++, and Java. These are nothing but the programming languages which provides support for compilers. So coming to interpreters, same task, sir. It is used to convert human readable code, which is used to convert human readable code into mission understandable code. Sir, what about scanning of the program? Sir, it scans the total program. No. So it is going to scan line by line. Okay, it will scan the instructions line by line. And sir, it won't display all the errors at a time. Only topmost error. Okay, topmost errors will be displayed. Topmost errors will be displayed at a time. Okay. Sir, next, if we have any error, okay, if we have any error, sir, then we have to debug. Okay, we have to debug, sir, the program one by one. You have to understand the logics what we have and the syntaxes, semantics. So based on that, you need to debug the program. The best example programming languages which are taking these interpreters is nothing but Java, okay, and Python, almost all the scripting languages. Sir, we can able to use one word called, sir, Java is both compiled, okay, and interpreted programming language. So Java is both compiled and interpreted language, because at certain stage Java uses compiler, at certain stage Java is going to use interpreter. So because of this, we can say Java is nothing but both compiled and interpreted programming language. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm. Clear? Yeah. So this is nothing but today's session, sir. So remaining things will be continued from Monday. Okay. From Monday, the regular batches are going to be started. Okay.